Exploring a new place called Big River by the town of Mendocino. There's an access road just before you turn in to the town of Mendocino. In fact, above me is the bridge connecting it to the town proper, and this is a new place and that I'm exploring. It's a Big River beach. There's a hiking trail. In the background is the town proper of Mendocino, and on this horizon on the left is the Mendocino headlands. This Big River beach is part of the Mendocino Headlands State Park. Nice, breezy, sunny. Hello. So if you like an alternative place to visit in town proper of Mendocino, nearby is the Big River Beach, and this is it, and it's just a few yards away from the town proper. So this is the headland side of the beach, and I'm gonna go to the other side of the river, the Big River Beach, which is going past this bridge. Walking on the other side of the Big River Beach. Behind me is the headlands, the Mendocino headlands. But it's actually still part of the Mendocino Headland State Park. It's another place, alternative place to visit if you're in Mendocino. Yeah, I think this area is popular to surfers. I just saw two guys getting ready to surf. Yeah, I think this is a surfer's place on Mendocino Headlands. That's the third surfer that I saw And there's a good surf coming in. Here he goes. This is the Big River Estuary State Marine Conservation Area, which is part of the Mendocino Headlands State Park. There's hiking, swimming, even pets are allowed. There's biking and boating and even fishing. So this is the map. You could easily miss this because right after the bridge is the exit going to the Big River. And this area is the boat launching area. And I just saw somebody swimming. And that's a nice redwood forest at the background. This is the boat launching area, and on the background is a nice redwood grove or forest, and swimming is also allowed here. I just saw somebody swimming. This is the parking lot of Big River Beach, and farther inland is another parking lot.